if you have been thinking about how you can invest your money online and get more value for your money, then this is a video you should watch, because in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to invest your money online using Piggyvest. Now, the essence of this video is to teach you how you can invest so that you can protect your money from inflation. All right, as we all know, we know that currently our currency is really struggling. So if you live in Nigeria, especially for you living in Nigeria and other African countries, then this is a video you should watch. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process of how you can invest your money, and we are going to be using the Piggyvest app. So if you don't know what Piggyvest app is, Piggyvest app is actually used to save money online. It's a digital platform where we save our money online. So just like the those of us who know this Colo box, if you know Colo box, if you're a Nigerian and you know Colo box, there's this small box we actually use to put our money inside. You can't break it until when you are ready to use the money. So that idea was what was used to create Piggyvest. All right, so instead of you now saving in your physical box, you can now save in your digital bank. All right, so that's what Piggyvest is all about. So in this video, I'm going to show you the entire process. Now, if this is your first time of coming onto this channel, kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. I believe you don't want to miss any of the things I'll be sharing in this on this channel. All right, my name is Awajima Misioto. So let's go straight to the app. So right here, this is Piggyvest on my phone. In case you don't have Piggyvest and you're thinking of how you can get this app, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop it there, or I'll pin it to the comment section. All right, so do well to check all those things. Now, once you click on the link, which I'll drop for you in the comment section or in the description, once you click on the link, it's going to take you to where you will download it. All right, so follow the process correctly, download it, make sure to sign up and do a verification. You're going to need to do your verification for you to be able to go through all this process I want to show you. All right, it's very easy. It's just for you to give the information that is important, that is required, because this is a legit platform and it's not for people who are jokers. So they want to be sure to know who their customers are. So if you want to really use this app, you must make sure that you sign up correctly. After you have downloaded the app, sign up correctly and do your verification. All right, so that is that. Now, once you get the app, the next thing to do after your verification is to save up your money. And you save up your money, then the next process is to invest. All right, so let me show you how to invest your money on this app. So I'll open my app right now. I'll click on it to open it. So once I click on it to open it, let's just wait for it to load, and then I'll have to insert my password. All right, just follow me, guys. I'll insert my password. Okay. All right, the app is already open. So this is what you're going to be seeing in your Piggyvest app. All right, this is your dashboard. All right, so if you want to check your savings, you come to this place that says savings. All right, if you want to check your savings, you come to this place that says savings. You click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see how much you have in your savings. Now you have Safe Lock, you have Piggy Bank, you have Target Savings, you have House Money, you have Flex Naira, you have Flex Dollar. So let me just do a quick explanation of all this. This Safe Lock that you see here is the money that you save and you want to lock it. You don't want to touch it. Are you getting now? So your piggy bank is just the usual saving that you are doing. Maybe you made some money, you just want to quickly save. You save it here. That's what you see in your piggy bank. Now, target savings is the one that you are planning. Maybe you are planning to buy a phone and you want to save towards that. You can use the target savings. Then this one that says house money, you want to save for a house, or you want to save for your rent. Are you getting now? Then your flex naira is, money that is flexible. You can withdraw it anytime you want. You can save it, you can withdraw, you can play with the money as you want. All right. Now, flex dollar is the money that you have converted to your dollar account. Are you getting now? You want to save. If you watch my last video, I talked about how you can save in dollars. All right. Now, if you want to save in dollars, this is where all the money you have saved in dollars, this is where it's going to come. All right. So, but before you do all of these things, you need to be able to save your money on this app first. That's the first process, right? You need to be able to save your money on this app. So how do you save your money? How do you save your money? So what you're going to do is to come to this, there's a plus sign below. Okay, I upgraded this app some days ago, so the plus sign is no more showing. So let's check this place. All right, let's check this place. Okay, let me come back to this savings. So you come to this place and click on piggy bank. Click on it once. Once you click on it once, you are going to see this. All right. So what you do now to save is to click on the plus. Are you getting now? You can click on quick save, or you can click on the plus that you see here. So any one you click, it will give you options to save your money. Are you getting now? Once you save your money, let me click on it. Quick save. All right. Once you click on quick save, you can see now you insert the money that you want to save, the amount of money you want to save, and then you click on quick save. Are you getting now? So once you click on quick save, the next thing to do, you are going to see the money here. You are going to see the money here in your Flex Naira account. Are you getting now? You're going to see the money in your Flex Naira account. So you can push it to any of these savings that you want to push it to. Are you getting now? So how do you now invest? How do you invest? You come to this place that says invest. Are you seeing it now? So you click on it. Once you click on it now, you're going to be seeing different investments that are ongoing. Are you seeing it now? You are going to be seeing the different investments that are ongoing. Now you can scroll to see all of them. You can scroll, you can see that sold out, sold out, sold out. That means people are actually investing in this. So if you click on find more, you're going to see more of what is going on. But currently, as we are seeing here on the screen, you can see that there's a new investment that is ongoing. Are you getting that? And it's 5K to invest now. So once you click on it, you're going to see more details about how you can invest. So let's click on it to see. Yes, it has opened. So how do you now invest? You come here and click invest now. All right, you come here and click invest now. Now there's one thing you should also note. When you are doing your verification, when you sign up on this app, you will need to fill up your banking details. Are you getting now? The banking details will involve a bank where you can use to withdraw and a bank that you can use to pay. Are you getting now? So you need at least a local bank account, your normal local bank account, where you can send and receive money. You are going to input that into the details whenever you are doing your setup of your account. All right, all of those things can be done in this place that says account. Are you getting now? I'll show you that before I end this video. But how do you invest? You click on invest. Once you click on invest, let's wait for it to load. You come here and insert the unit that you want to invest. Are you getting this now? And then you click on preview and continue the process. So that is how you can invest your money on this Piggyvest app. This is very, very profitable. I can tell you, with time you are going to be seeing your money per annum, but you need to make sure that you study what you are going to be investing in before you invest. You don't just carry your money and throw like that. You need to be sure that you are investing in the right investment or in the right business. Another way to do this investment is to convert your money to dollar. I will not be showing you all of that in this video because I've done another video to show you how to do that. So if you want to see that one, just go to the link in the description, check for the link to the video. All right, check for the link to the video. Now, for you to add your bank details, let me just show you that one before we end this video. For you to add your bank details, you come to this place that says account. You click on account. Once you click on account, you come here and say, can you see this place? My account details. All right, my account details. Or you come down here and say withdrawal bank. Are you seeing it now? Withdrawal bank. You click on withdrawal bank, then you'll be asked to fill up your details. Are you getting now? So this is how you can do all of these things. This is how you can invest your money on Piggyvest. All right, so if you got value from this, I believe you got value from this, kindly like this video, kindly tap the notification bell, kindly subscribe, and share this video to your loved ones. All right, you can pause, you can rewind, you can watch this video again and again to understand what I've been saying and what I said in the video. If you have questions for me about how to make money online, how to do stuffs online, drop a question for me in the comment section. If you have a video you want me to make, suggest it in the comment section, and if I get a good number of people, I'm going to make a video for you. All right, that's all we are going to be doing in this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.